Most homeowners make big mistakes when remodeling their home, especially with layout, home remodeling or additions, and picking materials. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the most common mistakes homeowners make during home remodeling, home additions, layout design, and choosing materials. These mistakes can cost you money, waste time, and affect how your home feels for years. If you're planning a remodel, watch this before you start. Let's get into it. Planning and budget mistakes. Starting a remodel without a clear plan. Not setting a realistic budget. Forgetting to budget for unexpected costs. Rushing into a remodel too quickly. Remodeling without thinking about daily living. Forgetting about storage needs. Ignoring future family needs. Not thinking about resale value. Home addition mistakes. Adding space without checking how it connects to the house. Poor flow between old and new spaces. Making rooms too small or too large. Forgetting natural light in the addition. Poor window placement. Not matching the addition to the existing style. Layout and design mistakes. Poor room layout. Ignoring door swing and clearances. Hallways that are too narrow. Poor closet design. Wasted corner space. Awkward room shapes. Bathroom design mistakes. Poor bathroom layout. Not enough counter space. Choosing a small shower. Forgetting storage in the bathroom. Ignoring ventilation. Poor lighting around mirrors. Choosing slippery floor tile. Using the wrong wall materials. Not waterproofing properly. Kitchen design mistakes. Poor kitchen layout. Ignoring the kitchen work triangle. Not enough counter space. Forgetting pantry storage. Poor cabinet placement. Choosing the wrong cabinet heights. Not planning appliance locations. Poor lighting over work areas. Forgetting ventilation. Ignoring trash and recycling space. Material selection mistakes. Choosing materials just because they look good. Picking materials that are hard to maintain. Using cheap materials in high-use areas. Mixing too many styles. Choosing colors without seeing natural light. Choosing trendy finishes that age fast. Forgetting about durability. Not planning matching transitions. Flooring mistakes. Using the same flooring everywhere without thought. Choosing slippery flooring. Using wood in wet areas. Ignoring floor height differences. Poor flooring transitions. Forgetting sound control. Choosing floors that scratch easily. Lighting and electrical mistakes. Relying only on ceiling lights. Poor switch placement. Not enough outlets. Forgetting USB or charging outlets. Ignoring dimmers. Forgetting night lighting. Ignoring exterior lighting. Not planning smart features early. Comfort, function, and long-term mistakes. Ignoring soundproofing. Forgetting insulation upgrades. Poor temperature control planning. Blocking air vents. Forgetting maintenance access. Final and big picture mistakes. Not thinking about how rooms connect. Forgetting storage throughout the house. Not planning for future remodels. Ignoring outdoor views. Poor connection to outdoor spaces. Forgetting curb appeal. Following trends instead of lifestyle. If you're planning a home addition or a home remodel, getting the planning right from the start makes all the difference. At DC Home Remodeling, we help homeowners design and build additions and remodels that connect seamlessly to the existing home and work for real life, not just day one. If you're thinking about expanding or remodeling your home, visit dchomeremodeling.com or call 703-980-3266 and start your project the right way. Thanks for watching.